I get to hang out at Tanganyika every single day, all day long for work, but the guests look like they're having a lot of fun, so I want to see what a day in the life of a single day admission guest looks like. Let's go.
Walk through kind of what your day is going to look like so far. So you are going to get breakfast, lunch, and grab and go snacks all included today.
All included?
All included with your admission, all included. And then you also get to see some of the training demos and all of our animal encounters today. All of this is going to be included for you.
Look at him drinking. Maybe my favorite animal at the park. Such a troublemaker. Hello. Hi, friend. Want some nectar? Those colors are crazy. Okay, I might have to move in and live with the kangaroos. Tortoise fight.
Lady in the trail. So they are vegetarian, so they only eat vegetables, and so most of their food is grass and bushes and shrubs and stuff like that.
Too good. Oh yeah, thank you.
Are welcome.
Wow.
1 second, just check me. Yeah, go for it.
Whoa, she's so soft. I only made it through about half of the things included in a single day admission, but that was a pretty awesome day.